Yo, what is up, everyone? It is Bro Gets Rich. Welcome to my channel where I share my personal wealth building journey through real estate, stocks, and crypto. So today was a banger of a day. Bitcoin is up, when I took this screenshot, 9.7%, just blasted through 60K and almost hit 64,000 overnight. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin price, also Coinbase going down. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. All right, so if you follow my channel, I talk about Bitcoin a lot. I think that Bitcoin is in for some really big fireworks due to dwindling supply, ETF drainage, and the halving coming up. So not investment advice, but Bitcoin had a raging day. We should see a lot of crazy moves, in my opinion, with Bitcoin over the next few years. But this market is just heating up, and it has been very exciting. What was not exciting was when I was checking my Coinbase account during all of this pandemonium today, I noticed I had a zero balance, and I literally about shit my pants. It was not a great feeling. Thought I'd been hacked for a moment, and then I saw this notice, we aware, zero balance, blah, 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 and then at the bottom it says your assets are safe. Well, that was not very reassuring necessarily, because the last time somebody told me that my assets were safe, his name was Sam Bankman-Fried, and we all know how that played out. So I think everything has been restored. I checked it earlier, logged in on my laptop, and everything looked good. So if you had a heart attack today, I'm sorry, I was right there with you. So here's a little preview. This is one of my ETH positions, just showing you guys for good faith. Average cost of about $1,700, up 84%. So just over 2 ETH in this account. Not really sure what my price targets to sell are. Just going to kind of wait, expand my time horizon. I'm not really going to think about selling anything. Depending on the Bitcoin price and what happens, that's kind of how I'm thinking about it. Definitely going to wait till hopefully the end of summer and just kind of reassess. So I don't know. Not sure. I don't make price calls, but I would gladly sell both these ETH at 20K. That's for sure. A little glimpse just into my stock portfolio. One of my stock portfolios. As of today, Google's been kind of getting hammered. Obviously, FBTC, newer position, 100 shares, has been performing well. Tesla's been making a little bit of gains as it marches back up to around $200, so that's always good. I'm highly enticed right here. I'm not sure if I'm just kind of facing FOMO or whatever, but Google's kind of getting a lot of bad press. I think there's a lot of competition in technology and AI and stuff coming for Google over the next decade, so I'm in long-term capital gains on this position. I think I'm up like 20 or 30%. And honestly, I'm debating just selling it tomorrow and just jamming into 100 more shares of FBTC, and then just putting the rest in SCHD for some long-term, stable dividend growth income. So let me know down in the comments what you think about that. I'm not sure. I'm kind of on the fence. I know I'm having some big FOMO with Bitcoin right now, but if I zoom out, 5 years from now, I would really love to have 200 shares or more of FBTC to, when I want to take profits, write some covered calls, and collect some juicy premiums. So that's kind of the thought process on that. Let me know what you think about that down below. So I think the screenshot is actually shot the other day before Bitcoin kind of went on this rampage up today. But you can see I'm already up 10% on my FBTC shares. So not bad. We're approaching $5,000 in total value. So Bitcoin ETFs, holy shit, guys, that's what a game changer this has been. The only stock I'm actively buying as well, pretty much on a daily basis in that portfolio I just showed you, is Tesla. Been buying like $25 a day. We'll kind of continue to do so until I get back to my cost basis, and then I will just hold. Anytime it goes well my cost basis, I just turn on the daily DCA for Tesla at this point. But my main focus, people have been asking me. I actually got some texts today from some people. Classic crypto behavior. People asking me what alts they should buy. Friends, family of mine. And I haven't really responded much because I'm not really paying attention to the alt market. I'm not putting any more money in any crypto this bull run, except for Bitcoin. Just kind of daily DCA or accumulating ETF shares for long-term option strategies. So this has kind of been my bread and butter, and will be kind of going forward, is my Robinhood income portfolio that I just started for you guys a couple months ago, actually back in September. So you can see I've Robinhood Gold activated, getting some cash position at 5.25% in there. And then I've also been putting about $50 a day, buying SCHD every day, and then now I'm switching back and forth to DGRO and JEPI. And that's kind of the plan, is to get this number, this $4,500 number, into the tens of thousands over the next few years, and generating passive income through cash, dividends, monthly cash flow through covered call ETFs like JEPI, and then eventually writing my own covered calls. Saw this tweet that I thought was really good the other day that I want to share with you. I don't know who this guy is, but it said, after the age of 30, men are no longer handsome or ugly. They are only rich or poor. And I can definitely say that, obviously, like, you could be more handsome or more ugly after 30 as a man. But if you are rich in your 30s as a man, or your 40s, like, you're going to do pretty well regardless of any of that. So as long as you get some swagger, educate yourself, and are rich, you don't want to be poor. And you don't want to be poor and ugly in your 30s, that's for sure. And then once again, I showed this in my last video, but we need to reiterate this again, because this is just playing out so rapidly. Median new home price in the U.S. in Bitcoin terms, 2012, a new home, the average home would have cost 50,000 plus Bitcoin. And right now, I think, 8 BTC in 2024, which is about right, because it's about 400 grand. So, and this probably went down because Bitcoin ran a lot. So it's probably 7.5 BTC now, right? So think about this. This is the power of Bitcoin. And this is, whether you like it or not, this is going to be more and more prevalent as time goes on. So that's it. Quick update. Just want to let you know what my plans are. This week, just going to be watching Bitcoin like a hawk because this thing is so exciting. Keep jamming money into my income portfolio on Robinhood, stacking that up, getting passive income going, and building a large position in that. And then just going to keep watching Bitcoin, maybe sell some Google and buy another 100 shares of the ETF. I don't know. I'm going to try and take a day and think about it, because I'm not sure if I'm just having crazy FOMO or if it's truly like a great idea for the next 5 to 10 years. I'm kind of leaning towards the fact that it might be, but we'll think about it. So let me know in the comments if you're buying crypto, what cryptos you're buying, or what you're investing in right now. So, not investment advice. This is only for entertainment. My name is Bro Gets Rich. I'll catch you next time. Peace.